Let me show you how to change your WhatsApp profile picture. Now, if you're on WhatsApp and you don't like the profile picture assigned to your profile, you can always change it on your iPhone or Android. It's the exact same. Now, within the WhatsApp app, you'll be able to see the iPhone has the settings at the very bottom right, that gear icon. However, if you're on Android, it'll be at the very top right. You just tap on those three dots and then tap on settings. So let's get to your settings here. And after you've done that, you can see your profile picture at the top left. To change it, you can just tap on it, and then you can see edit. Just tap on edit here. Now I can choose to create an avatar, take a photo, choose a photo, or create an AI image. On here, let's tap on choose a photo, and you might need to give it permission to access your gallery. After you've done that, you can just scroll through here and find a photo that you like. Let's say I like keep going down. Let's say I like one of these photos. And then I can zoom in. Of course, I chose one that my eyes are half closed, and then hit choose here. And just like that, it will update that profile picture. You can go to chats here and see that profile picture is updated. Whenever you message someone or they message you or call or vice versa, you'll be able to see that in updated profile picture. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions.